Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. It is a 3-in-1 charging station here. You can kind of see what it looks like there. So you can charge your different devices all at the same time. How cool is that? So let's see what we got going on here. So box empty, everything in it is right here. So it comes with its little charging nugget here and power adapter. And then we have the wire, which is going to be USB to USB-C, instructions, and the charging device here. Let's move this dog away. Okay, so the charging device, it looks like it magnetizes on the back and then opens up, and you would put your phone here, your watch on there, and your headphones over there. So how cool is that? Well, I guess I'll plug it in and try. The only thing I'm going to be able to really try it with, I think, is my my watch, because my headphones are right over here. We'll try it with the watch and the headphones and see how that works. So we'll plug it in. And okay, so we got a little blue light flashing. Excuse me. Okay, so my watch is off of my wrist, and we'll put it on there. See, and we are charging. And now, I don't know if it charges with this case or not. I don't think I've ever done it. Oh, it definitely is. So you can see it's flashing charging too. So we've got both our things charging here. And the super little convenient thing here would be perfect for travel, that's for sure. So you could charge everything with just a single wire, because sometimes, you know, it's hard to find wires at the hotels and stuff. So pretty cool. Nice little setup here. And then you would just stick your phone on that one there. And it looks like it's going to have probably a magnet on it too, so it'll hold it in the right position, just like this holds it in the right position as well. So how cool is that? So really cool little setup here. And that's the information on it right there. It is by, I don't know, it's just this 3-in-1 magnetic wireless charger. But this is it. So super cool and super easy to do. You saw I got it going in like a minute, and then you just fold it back up, back to back, and everything here, you're ready to go. So super cool. Thumbs up for me on this. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.